Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today we will learn and understand. The following topics will be discussed. The first topic is, what is the economizer in the boiler system? The second topic is, the benefits of the economizer in the boiler system. We will discuss the above topics in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn and understand, what is the economizer in the boiler? Economizers are gas-water type heat exchangers used to preheat the feedwater before it enters the boiler. This preheating process occurs through heat transfer between the combustion gases exiting the boiler and the feedwater, as illustrated in the accompanying picture. Typically, economizers are constructed with fin tubes made from carbon steel, stainless steel, or cast iron. The water to be heated flows inside these tubes while the combustion gases circulate outside them. A boiler economizer is a heat exchanger that is installed on the stack of a boiler. It is designed to recover heat that would otherwise be wasted. The economizer transfers heat from the flue gases to the boiler feedwater, which helps to preheat the water before it enters the boiler. This reduces the amount of fuel that is needed to heat the water, which can save energy and money. Next, we will learn and understand the benefits of the boiler economizer. The first benefit is that it is used to increase the system life. Economizers can help to extend the life of a boiler by reducing the amount of wear and tear on the boiler components. The second benefit is that it is used to reduce fuel consumption. Captures residual heat from hot flue gases. Economizers can reduce fuel consumption by up to 20%, which can lead to significant savings on energy costs. The third benefit, it is used to reduce emissions. Economizers help to reduce emissions by reducing the amount of fuel that needs to be burned. By burning less fuel, it helps lower CO2 and NO2 emissions. Next, it supports environmentally friendly operation. The fourth benefit, it is used to improve boiler efficiency. Economizers can improve boiler efficiency by up to 10%. Reduces heat losses through the stack. Next, we will learn and understand the benefits of the boiler economizer. The fifth benefit, it is used to reduce maintenance costs. Economizers require very little maintenance, which can save money in the long run. Next, economizer is used for fuel savings lead to reduced operational costs. The sixth benefit is that it is used to better steam production rate. Preheated water turns to steam faster, improving steam generation responsiveness. The seventh benefits, it is used to thermal shock protection. It gradually increases feedwater temperature, reducing thermal stress on boiler tubes and drums. We hope everyone learns and understands the following topics. The first topic is, what is the economizer in the boiler system? The second topic is, the benefits of the economizer in the boiler system. Thanks for the watching. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Like and leave a comment.